Hindi ko alam kung saan ko sisimulan, pero ito lang ang gusto kong sabihin sa iyo. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil umabot tayo sa puntong ito.
Tinatanong nga nila ako kung decided na ba talaga akong magpakasal sa'yo. Dahil hindi talaga ako naniniwala sa kasal. Pero nagbago ang lahat dahil sa'yo. Ikaw ang nagpapaalala sa akin na maging humble palagi. At ikaw ang konsensya ko. Magkaiba man ang ugali natin, honey. Pero isa lang ang importante. Iisang direksyon lang yung gusto nating marating.
Kung minsan ay madalas pala. Kung tayo ay hindi magkakaintindihan na malaasot pusa kung mag-away, ito lang ang tatandaan mo. Mag-aaway lang tayo pero di tayo maghihiwalay.
Staying alive. All that I feel is a fire inside. I have outrun it. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game. This is happening. I am back again. Go on and fade it all to black. I'm back. I'm back. Bigger and better, this is my time. Faster than ever, hungry and I'm going to come back and take what is mine. Bigger and better. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game. This is happening. I am back again. Go on and fade it all to black. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
That Nino and Karen, the most important thing in marriage, of course, you must first put Christ in the center of your relationship as you cope your everyday lives together as husband and wife. Dahil sa isang relasyon ng mag-asawa, wala nang hihigit pa kundi ang paglalagay niyong dalawa sa Diyos sa pagitan ninyo habang haharapin niyo yung buhay ninyong pinanggalat na mag-asawa.
There's no hurry, holding on to every word she said.
Ikaw yung lalaki at tao na gusto kong makasama sa pagtanda ko at sa habang buhay.
Try some things I never thought I would. But that's
Thank you sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin, sa anak ko, sa pagtanggap mo kung sino at ako at ano ako.
At sa kabila ng lahat ng ito tayo ngayon sa mga oras na to, nakaharap sa pangako na walang hanggan.
sounds like a song. Your heart is so light, feels like you could fly high above when you're in love. I never knew what a diamond cost, but it's the greatest thing I bought. Your priceless heart was the easiest I do. So when we laugh or when we cry, know that I'll be by your side. Come with me, I'll always choose you. 'Cause that's just what you do when you're in love. When you're in love, forever is just getting started. And you still haven't seen the best part yet. Who knows what's ahead, but we're
Proud ako kasi nakapagsalita ka sa lahat sa harap ng mga tao dito. Magpakasipag tayo sa paghahanap buhay. Hindi lang sa magiging pamilya natin, kung hindi sa parehong pamilya natin, honey.
Alam ko na walang perpektong pagsasama, pero pinapangako ko na sisikapin ko na maibigay ang pagmamahal na sa paraan na papapasaya kita. Mamahalin kita at ang anak mo at ang magiging pamilya natin. Mahal na mahal kita, honey, at mamahalin kita habang buhay.
Mahal na mahal kita. I
just
love
what
you.
you get when you're in love.